A'udzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you one sign that Allah loves you. It's Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 9. Allah says, "And if two groups of believers fight each other, then make peace between them. But if one of them transgresses against the other, then fight against the transgressing group, until they are willing to submit to the rule of Allah. If they do so, then make peace between both groups in all fairness and act justly. Surely Allah loves those who uphold justice." So here Allah talks about the people who fight with each other, and especially Allah is talking about here is the believers. So if two groups of believers fight with each other, then make peace between them. Allah doesn't like a person who creates fitna among the believers. And if one group is oppressing the other group, then fight that group who oppresses the other. Because Allah has already said in the Quran many times that He hates those who oppress people. He doesn't like oppression. And if the oppressor group now wants to end the fight, now wants to end the oppression, and wants to follow the rule of Allah, then make peace between the groups. Then you have no right to extend the fight. Make peace between them with fairness and justice. Do justice according to the rules and laws of Allah. So we see this kind of situation in our current time. There are two Muslim countries which are fighting with each other. And when Allah says that when one group oppresses the other, and we see the same situation that one country is oppressing the other country, then you don't have that right to support the oppressor unless that country is ready to stop the oppression. And signing papers doesn't mean that the country has stopped oppression. You have to act practically. You have to stop oppression on the ground. Allah says, and if that group doesn't stop oppression, then fight with that group. This is the very key point here. Peace only prevails when both the parties are ready to solve the issue. But if one group stays on the oppression, then it's not possible to bring peace among them. The second point that Allah says that if they are ready to stop the oppression, then of course make peace between them. But remember one thing, that act justly, because you already hate that group. Don't do injustice with that group. You have to act according to the rules and laws of Allah. So whether it's a real war or a soft war, war between two countries or war between two sects, online war or offline war, Allah loves a person who brings peace between the two groups. And Allah loves the person who do justice, because the base of our religion is justice. Make peace between the groups, but with justice. Make peace with anyone, but with justice. Do justice, and Allah will shower His blessings upon you.